Curious about the U.S. Bank Reserve credit card? Let's break it down. Is this card worth your time or not? This is a premium travel card with a $95 annual fee, waived first year. It gives you 2x points on all travel purchases and 1x everywhere else. You also get a $100 hotel credit every year, global entry TSA PreCheck credit, and airport lounge access through MasterCard. That sounds solid, especially if you travel often. But here's the thing. Compared to cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve or Amex Platinum, some of the perks feel a bit watered down. The lounge access isn't Priority Pass, and the point value isn't as strong. Also, U.S. Bank can be strict with approvals, so good credit is a must. So, is it worth it? If you travel a few times a year and want decent perks without paying $550 for a card, yes. But if you want top-tier luxury benefits, look elsewhere. Let me know if you've used this card, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.